How to create a digital business card for iPhone in 2 minutes for free. Install Stork Business app from the Apple Store and register. You will be prompted for your name and email during the setup. You will also be prompted for your business name, also known as a workspace name. Tap on the business card in the lower right corner and modify your phone number, title, or address. Anytime you modify any of these fields, including your name, the QR code will be regenerated dynamically. Let's say you do not want to share your phone number with a particular person you are meeting with. Simply click on a radio button against your phone number. The QR code will immediately regenerate. And now your new QR code does not contain your phone number in your dynamically generated virtual business card. You can always turn the radio button on if you would like for your phone number to be included in the QR code. The same applies to other fields. When you show your virtual business card to someone, they will be prompted to create a new contact on their phone. All they need to do is to point their camera at your QR code, and immediately they have your contact stored in their Rolodex. Contact exchange using Stork Business Virtual Card does not require the internet, Bluetooth, or NFC. It works entirely through camera on your phone. Now your business card is always with you. Not only that, but you can always modify it on the fly depending on the occasion. Enjoy!